You are going to love 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, roof rack, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.